really gone?
Where is he? He must be here somewhere. We'll find you. He's not here. Let's go. Fine. Where is he?
I saw him go up. He's in the tree.
Hurry, they're coming.
Up here, over here.
He went this way. Look up. Quiet, they'll hear us.